Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes. Today, we're exploring balcony garden ideas that bring peace, beauty, and a breath of fresh air into your life. Whether you have a small urban space or a large terrace, these inspiring ideas will help you turn your balcony into a slice of paradise. Filled with flowers, greenery, and pure calm. Let's make your home feel like a retreat. Got a small balcony? Don't worry. Peace and nature don't need a lot of space. With hanging planters, vertical gardens, and cozy seating, you can turn even the tiniest corner into a peaceful escape. It's all about smart design and a touch of creativity. Your green sanctuary is just a few pots away. Pots. Bring nature back into your city life with these stunning balcony garden ideas. Fill your space with lush plants, soft lights, and earthy textures. It's more than decoration. It's about creating a peaceful corner where you can breathe, unwind, and reconnect with nature, even in the heart of the city. peaceful life starts with peaceful spaces. Imagine starting your morning with a cup of tea, surrounded by fresh flowers and the sound of rustling leaves. These balcony garden ideas aren't just beautiful. They help you slow down, clear your mind, and feel more grounded every day. You don't need a big budget to create a beautiful balcony garden. Reuse old pots, use hanging baskets, and choose low-maintenance plants. Add a chair, a few fairy lights, and you've got a cozy, peaceful nook. Beauty doesn't have to be expensive, just thoughtful. Whether it's spring blossoms or winter evergreens, your balcony can reflect the calm of every season. Use seasonal flowers, warm lighting, and natural textures to keep your balcony fresh and peaceful all year round. Let nature flow with time and enjoy the rhythm of slow living. Your balcony isn't just a space, it's a chance to escape, reflect, and recharge. These garden ideas can turn your daily routine into a peaceful ritual. It's your personal retreat, just steps away. So go ahead, bring nature home, and let your soul breathe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.